friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, today I want to show you a little trick I've been doing with my yogurt to make it more healthy and also to give it more thickness so that I don't have to strain out the whey to get that real thick yogurt that I like. So the whey is really good for you anyway. I don't prefer to drink it and then I forget it, so if I take the whey out and I store it away to use in bread making or to give the dogs here and there or even the chickens, I forget about it. It gets stuck to the back of the refrigerator and then I end up having to throw it out or at least dump it on my apple trees, because it actually is really good for the apple trees. So here is what I'm doing. So I'm taking the best of both worlds, the homemade yogurt and the seed soaking, and putting them into one thing. And so I pour the yogurt you want to do about halfway on the jar to start with, because I usually only like to do maybe a pint at a time, just in case I need the rest of the yogurt for something else, like making ranch dressing or whatever. And now what I'm going to do is put in the key to this are the chia seeds and the flax seeds, because they're going to be the agent that's really going to give it the thickness. Because when you soak chia seeds and flax seeds, they become gelatinous. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds in. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the flax seed. And then from there, you can use whatever other seeds you want. I sometimes add sunflower seeds to this. I'm not doing that right now, but you can. I'd say put in about a tablespoon of sunflower seeds. I have put a tablespoon of poppy seeds, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon of hemp hearts. Okay, now you can stir that up. I'm going to try just shaking it. It's the easiest way to do it. Shake it real good. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in some more yogurt. Top it off the rest of the way. Put the lid on. And shake it up some more. Okay, you want those seeds mixed in there really good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for 10-15 minutes or more, however long, or just leave it in there until I'm ready for it. But I will come back after a bit and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all ready. Now that I've allowed the yogurt to sit in the refrigerator for several minutes, so it's probably been closer to a half an hour because I've been running around doing some chores and stuff, which is a good time really. You can see that it is thickened up, and it'll actually continue to get thicker the longer it sits in there, and it just makes a real nice consistency if you're liking a thicker yogurt. Plus you get the benefits of all those good healthy seeds in there. So you can mix in some fruit if you want. You can eat it just like this. I find that when I'm eating stuff like avocados, I love to have cream cheese with my avocados. Well, I found that I can take this nice thick yogurt like this and then add some nutritional yeast, and it will give it more of that cream cheese kind of taste, and it is so good with my avocado. And I put a little some hot pepper on there and my homemade seasoned salt, and boy, I tell you, it's really good stuff. So you can, there's different things you can use this with. In fact, you could, if you want a good thick ranch dressing, you could also use this in your ranch dressing, and this will make it thicker so if you want your ranch dressing more like a dip. And by the way, in case I didn't say, you can eat it just like this and it's really good without any kind of sugar or anything in it. It's pretty tasty and just very good for you. Getting the good probiotics from the yogurt and all the good other minerals and nutrients and gut friendly things from the chia seeds and all that, because that's going to help detoxify your body. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Take care.